Hello everyone, welcome to my travel storybook. In this video, we are very excited to take you on a virtual staycation to a state resort which is in Mangalore, a serene retreat nestled in the lush greenery of the Western Ghats. It is a perfect destination for those who are looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and unwind in a peaceful natural setting. It is the ideal place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. So, join us as we explore the surroundings. Let's start with the room tour and breathtaking view from the balcony.
305. Awesome. Woo! Total peace. The inner peace.
After that, we went to check out their swimming pool but stopped on the way to look at the greenery. My husband and brothers went for trekking to the forest and it was quite dense.
Hey, super view.
ভিউ নিচে তো দেখো নিচে নিচে
আমি একদম উপর থেকে নিচে
At evening, I spent some time in the kids' play area while he booked a table for both of us on the occasion of our anniversary and Valentine's Day, which was a total surprise for me. The food video is in my playlist, The Story of My Plate, so do check it out. Next day, we had this view from our room. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give a like and subscribe for more.